Welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. I'm just trying to show you guys really quickly. I know some people watched my video on making Valentine's Day cards, and some people had issues with printing. Now, I know every printer is different, but I want to show you guys something. So when I go up to the top to click print on my printer, I have, it shows portrait and all that. If I scroll down and click more settings, it will allow me to have more printer options. And so what I do, instead of plain paper, I click matte presentation paper, and I go all the way down and I click borderless printing. Now, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it when I click OK, but if you can see right here on the edge, you see that there is a border here now on the edge of my card, because that's what it will look like if I printed it now. And when I click OK, that's going to change. And so now that I've clicked OK, you can no longer see the edge of the card. And so some people had questions on how to get that borderless option. This is how it works on my particular printer. I know every printer is different. You can also go over here to where it says page margins and try to change your margins here if your printer will allow you to do that. But those are some of the ways that you can change things on your printer to be able to get a full coverage print on your card. So I hope that helps somebody.